Today we'll be doing logarithmic differentiation, and we'll be taking advantage of the fact that the derivative with respect to x of the natural log of x is just equal to 1 over x. So keeping that in mind, we're going to start off by differentiating y equals x to the power of tangent of x. We start off by taking the natural log of both sides. So you get natural log of y equals natural log of x to the tangent of x. Logarithmic properties tell us that this is just equal to tangent of x times natural log of x. And this is still ln of y. Now we differentiate both sides with respect to x. So the derivative with respect to x, or for natural log of y, is equal to the derivative with respect to x of tangent of x times natural log of x. Well, on the left side, this is just 1 over y times dy dx because of the chain rule. And here we use the product rule to get tangent of x times 1 over x plus ln of x times secant squared x. On this side, well, we can just multiply both sides by y to eliminate dy dx. So you get dy dx is equal to y, and y is just x to the tangent of x. So x to the tangent of x times tangent x over x plus ln x secant squared x. And you could simplify this more if you wanted, but I'm just going to leave it in this form.